Strawberries, nature's ruby gems. Bursting with vitamins, antioxidants, and natural compounds, they're not just a tasty treat, but a beauty powerhouse. Did you know that strawberries can transform your hair, skin, and lips? For your skin, strawberries can help fight acne, brighten your complexion, and reduce signs of aging. The alpha-hydroxy acids in strawberries exfoliate dead skin cells, leaving your skin fresh and glowing. For your hair, strawberries can add shine, prevent thinning, and even help with dandruff. The ellagic acid in strawberries protects your hair from thinning or falling out, while the folic acid, vitamin B5, and silica promote hair growth. And for your lips, strawberries can exfoliate, hydrate, and add a natural pink tint. The vitamin C and antioxidants in strawberries nourish and revitalize your lips, making them soft and kissable. So why not pamper yourself with a strawberry mask today? It's natural, it's effective, and it's oh so luxurious. Remember, beauty isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. And with strawberries, you can do both.